I'm back, and we're gonna get straight into this mukbang. I have some barbecue chicken wings and some corn, some hot sauce, and some ranch. I'm feeling like a real fat ass today. Let's get into this corn first. Oh, I'm busting my arm. Stop, boy. I told you don't be aiming for my face. I got some wings. Damn, I've been cooking my ass off. This ranch and this hot sauce set these barbecue wings the f off. Drums or flats? Me personally, I don't give a damn. You could be drum, flats, testicles. As long as you seasoned right, I don't give a f. Let's eat this corner. Up, sis. I'm full.